Oh no! It's a hurricane! We need to prepare to stay safe. Back to shore!
Help Rudolph's dad put his life jacket on.
Always wear a life jacket when going to sea. Look, it's the lighthouse. Let's go quickly. Slide to the right to avoid the obstacle. Now, slide to the left. Full steam ahead. Keep going! We've got to push on to get out of here! Phew! We're finally safe. Go towards the lighthouse to find the way home. Go towards the lighthouse to find a safe harbor. Steer the boat there and next, go this way. Go to the buoy and you'll find the safe harbor. Great, keep going. Look, there's a safe harbor. Go there to shelter from the hurricane. Finally, we've found a safe harbor. It is safe to moor the boat here. Secure the boat with a rope so it won't be blown away by the hurricane. The boat is moored. Let's go and shelter inside. The hurricane landed, and everyone must shelter. The boat is tied up well. Don't worry, it won't be blown away. There are big waves on the sea. Stay away from the sea during a hurricane. The hurricane has gone, and we're finally safe now.
Daddy, remember to watch the weather forecast first before you go to the sea. Let's see how others